Hello dear students, welcome to the next learning video of unique way to remember structure of phenobarbital. The learning outcomes for this video is at the end of this video the students will be able to draw and remember chemical structure of phenobarbital. Phenobarbital is an example of sedatives and hypnotics. Sedatives are the CNS depressant drugs, means which depress the function of central nervous system. The sedatives are the drugs which reduce the excitement, calms the patient without inducing sleeps. Means sedative are not able to produce the sleep. On the other hand, the hypnotics are also the CNS depressant drugs. The hypnotics drugs are also used to reduce the excitement by producing sleep resembling the natural sleeps. So sedatives are the drugs which calms the patient without inducing sleeps, and hypnotics are the drugs which calms down the patients with inducing sleeps. Now let's discuss the tips and tricks to remember the chemical structure of phenobarbital. You know very well, to remember the chemical structure of any kind of drug, first thing you have to mention which functional group is present or which heterocyclic ring is present in the structure of in that particular drug. So you have to write the classification of sedatives and hypnotics by mentioning the heterocyclic ring present in the structure of phenobarbital. Sedatives and hypnotics are classified as barbiturates and non-barbiturates. Barbiturates are nothing but the barbituric acid derivatives. It is further classified into the four different classes. First class is long-acting. Example is phenobarbital and meflobarbital. It is also called as barbital. Next class is intermediate acting, short acting and ultra short acting. In this learning video, we are going to see how to remember the structure of phenobarbital. So for that purpose, you have to mention the which heterocyclic ring present in the structure of phenobarbital, and the heterocyclic ring is a pyrimidine. Pyrimidine, the heterocyclic ring present in the structure of phenobarbital, which is a barbituric acid derivative. Phenobarbital is a barbituric acid derivatives, and chemically the barbituric acid is known as pyrimidine 2,4,6 trione. Trione. Tri means a 3 and ONE means ketonic functional group. So on is the suffix used to mention the ketonic functional group. It means that you have to first draw the pyrimidine ring and you have to add the double bond O at 2,4,6. So it will become the barbituric acid. So let's see how to draw the pyrimidine ring. So first you have to draw the pyrimidine ring. Pyrimidine ring is nothing but the 6-member heterocyclic ring containing 2 nitrogen atom. One is at 1 number position and another is at 3 number position. So which is completely unsaturated. You have to number either clockwise or anti-clockwise. But remember, the lowest possible number should be given to the second heteroatom, that is second nitrogen atom. So you can number like that. Once you have numbered it, so just remember, now you have to convert it into the barbituric acid, that is pyrimidine 2,4,6 trione. How to convert it? Just I will show you. So you have to first erase the number because now we are going to add the double bond O. As we are going to add the double bond O, there is no need of double bonds within the ring. So just erase it. or you can just draw the new ring. Okay, then provide the hydrogen atoms to each nitrogen atom in order to complete the valency of nitrogen atom. Remember, nitrogen has 3 valency. Then just add the double bond O at 2 number position, then add at 4 number position, and last you have to add at 6 number position. And now you have to number from the same direction now, because you have to get the number 2, 4, 6 for the ketonic functional group, like that. So chemical name of this structure is pyrimidine 2,4,6 trione, which is also known as barbituric acid. So to draw the structure of phenobarbitone, you have to first draw the structure of pyrimidine and then convert it into the barbituric acid. It's very simple. Once you have done it, next part is very easy to remember the structure of phenobarbitone. Trick number 2. Always observe the structure of any drug and try to get the idea from the name of drug. So name of drug is phenobarbitone, and if you observe the structure, I have not taken the structure here, okay, but if you observe the structure, then you will get it the things. Some of the functional group are present within the structure is mentioned in its name itself. Okay, I will show you. So phenobarbitone is start with the pH. pH means the phenyl ring. When it is followed by E, so E stands for ethyl, or you can say E for ethyl. So ethyl group is there. Now it is a barbitone, means it is a barbituric acid derivative. So you have to first draw this structure, that is the pyrimidine 2,4,6 trione, and now you have to attach the phenyl ring and ethyl group on the barbituric acid. But question is that where to attach this? It's very simple. If you observe the structure of the barbituric acid, you will find out that each position has something. Only the 5 number position, it does not containing anything. Means you have to attach the phenyl ring and ethyl group at number 5 of barbituric acid. It's so simple, and it's very easy to remember where to attach the phenyl ring and ethyl group. So phenyl ring and ethyl group is attached at 5 number position. It will convert the phenobarbitone. Okay, it's very simple. And how to remember it? The name itself gives you idea, that is it containing the phenyl ring and ethyl groups. So how to draw it, I will show you. So just first draw the phenyl ring. I will just change the color so you will get the idea where to attach the exactly the phenyl ring. Phenyl ring is nothing but you have to attach the benzene ring. Like that, you have to draw it in a very nice manner, and then just attach the ethyl group, that is CH2 CH3. And now you can just number the 5 number position for that carbon atom. And now you can able to give the name of this compound. And name of this compound is 5-ethyl 5-phenyl pyrimidine 2,4,6 trione, like this. See, we have drawn the structure by using hand, and this is the structure from the software. So both structure looks correct. Is it a simple way to remember the chemical structure of drug? So step number 1, write down the classification along with the name of heterocyclic ring. Convert the heterocyclic ring into the barbituric acid derivative, and then add the phenyl group and ethyl group at number 5. This is very simple. Thank you very much for watching the video. Wish you all the best.